So, Hipsters FC, Neil Asna, free. The De Zerbi pack. Yeah, let's hope United do get him. The hippie pack. Another clean sheets, another cup final gone, and 7 to go, guys. We're going to get into this fan cam. Big up to everybody who's locked in. We are top the league. Say we are top the league for now. Anyway, it's the prayer along tomorrow. Let's hope the egg in a suit up at Old Trafford can actually do something. We pray along. And then we've got Bayern Munich on Tuesday. I've seen a lot of people saying we're going to slap them. Oh, but they've lost their last 2 games. Cool, great, fantastic. Let's not get carried away, lads. Bayer Leverkusen have dropped 8 points all season. Yes, they've lost their last few games. Cool, they've given up. But anyway, that's for later in the week or Monday on the podcast with the lads. Listen, smash the likes up, sub to the channel. Just over 200 away from 96k. I'm lying, 96k, 26k on Lee Reacts. Come on, we will be there in literally 1 hour, 2 minutes from now for the Bilbao Real Mallorca Copa del Rey final. So I need to hurry up with these fan cams. Me, Kenny, Jez, Matty, player ratings, all within the next hour, dropping on here. And yeah, leave your comments down below. But listen, we see the lineup. I weren't too impressed. We're just going to finish this De Zerbi pack whilst we talk about this. Wasn't too impressed. Zinchenko can never play for this again. Never play for this club again. That guy is an absolute joke. But he inverts and what? Jesus. I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry. Bin him as well. We were playing with 9 men today. 9 men. Jorginho, I raised a bit of an eyebrow. I was like, would have started Party, but cool. I ain't too disappointed that he's starting. But them 2 on that left side, boy. Oh, my days. But Lee, he won the penalty. And what? Well done. He won a penalty. Fantastic. Lee Dixon's public enemy #1, by the way, because he said it weren't a pen. In his era, it probably wasn't a pen. The guy got the ball first. I think it was Lamptey. Lamptey got the ball first and then just clattered him. So by the letter of the law, it is a pen, in it. However, we were awful at that point. 32 minutes gone, 34 minutes gone, something like that. We were looking like it was going to be one of them days. And that left side, I'm sorry, 9 men on the pitch. 9 men. We'll come to that a little bit later down the road. However, we got the penalty. We scored. Well done, Saka. That's 6 out of 6 now. De Zerbi bubble burst. That's 11 wins, 10 draws, 10 losses. Well done. I don't know why he's so hyped. A +3 goal difference. Anyway, the centre backs. Gabriel Magalhaes, again, quality. Saliba, again, quality. Ben White, by the way, was that close to getting my man of the match today. He was awesome today. But when we're playing with a liability at left back, we look a little bit panicky. Gabriel's all over the place trying to chase this guy's mistakes or being out of position. It causes chaos and panic. I'm sorry. Yes, we got away with it today. Cool. We got away with it against Luton. Cool. Yeah, and there are probably games we could get away with it. I don't want to see him start again. We've got way too many big games coming up from now to the end of the season. Bayern Munich on Tuesday. He better not start. He better not start Zinchenko. Yeah, I'm sorry. And get away with it in these 2 games. Yeah, because they're both dead teams. Yeah, but it's better teams, better opposition. You're getting punished. It's as simple as that. We looked a little bit all over the place, a little bit on edge. Yeah, misplaced passes, like out of position. All nah, sorry, nah. Midfield, Jorginho, like I said, I thought he'd done all right. Rice done all right. Very nearly scored as well. We grew into the game in midfield. Second half was a lot better than the first, put it that way. 29. Man of the match. Man of the match. Him and Jorginho combined for the second goal. And that kind of killed the game, although 2-0 is always an iffy scoreline. Odegaard buzzing around, doing what he does. But, bro, start shooting earlier, please. Please. just shoot a bit earlier, mate. Too many touches and running around in circles. I know you're trying to keep the ball and that, but bro, against the better teams, we got to be more clinical, man. Yeah, we got to be way more clinical. Jesus putting a header 7 yards wide from 6 yards out twice. I'm sorry, mate. I know you said your main attribute is not scoring goals. 29 is 5 goals behind your greatest ever Premier League season. Super Mick has unlocked him, guys. The goggles, I can see what's happening now. Saka, I don't think he was great today. I don't think he was great at all, if I'm being honest. Very, very in and out the game. Like, he had some decent little moments here and there, but again, it was nice to see him get hooked. He got his penalty, well done, he scored. Right, well, Jesus got the penalty and he scored, but cool. Rest him up, play him against Bayern. Yeah, but substitutes. Let's go to the subs. Tomiyasu come on. In fact, Trossard came on first, I think. And instantly made us look better going forward. Who knew? Yeah, I did tell everyone this is our best player, but people still don't want to hear it because they're emotionally or sexually attracted to other players at the football club, which is cool. But Trossard is our best player. We limited them to 2 shots on target, which is cool. But if you look at the stats, 10 shots they had, we had 20, 7 on target, they had 2. They had more possession, more passes. Our pass accuracy was worse than theirs by 5%. 13 fouls, we gave away 14, so on and so forth, whatever. 8 corners to them, 7 to us. If you look at the stats, you go, oh, well, that was comfy. The game didn't pan out like that. That first half, mate, that was Arsenal last season in capitulation mode. As soon as he brought off Jesus and that liability at left back, instantly we looked so much better. So much better. Yeah, and I'm sorry, you just got to stop playing them. It's failed. The project with them has failed. Use them as bench players if you want to when we're 2 or 3-0 up. I'm just watching a rerun of the game now. Gabriel should have scored in the first minute off an Odegaard free kick. We had good chances. We've got to be more clinical. We brought Eddie on, did nothing. Martinelli did all right when he came on. Fabio Vieira, not even worth marking, weren't on the pitch for that long. But at the same time, like, you know, we've got to be more clinical, man. And yeah, today, Trossard, my baller, lovely counter-attacking football. And it just goes to show, yeah, they offered nothing as soon as Tommy and Trossard locked off that left side. And what I noticed as well is when Tommy was on the pitch and he went to press his guy, Trossard just ducked back into Tommy's spot. You can't do that with Zinchenko on the pitch because the guy's at number 10. He's on the right wing. He's in centre mid. He's at DM. Like, what are you doing? I would much rather Ben White be that guy. Yeah, that is doing that inverted role. Yeah, because I think that we look so much better with him doing it than when Zinchenko's on the pitch. He just causes panic. Every time, all over the park, he causes panic. But listen, all in all, it's another win. It's another game down. And we're top of the league. The goal difference is now 7 ahead of Man City. And sorry, I'm lying. It's 11 ahead of Man City, which is where it was 2 games ago. It's 9 ahead of Liverpool. So goal difference wise, we're doing all right. Them 2 are drawing on 70 points each. And we're 1 point clear. Obviously, they got Man United tomorrow. So I will be doing a watch along for that as well. Going to do the Old Firm derby as well. Rangers Celtic. And then I'm going to do Top Spurs versus Forest. But listen, we just got to manage our way through these games now. We look very good defensively at times. Yeah, but we look very good defensively when Zinchenko ain't in the team. Just watching him again now, like 3 minutes in, he's barking orders for you. Bro, shut up. You ain't that guy, bruv. Yeah, you are not that guy. He's standing in the penalty box barking orders at everyone. Like, bro, what are you doing? Yeah, and Jesus just ain't clinical enough. Yeah, and he ain't got no pace. And he wants way too many touches. So for me, neither of them can start again if we want to go and win something this season. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can win something. But if we do, yeah, it'll be in spite of them. Yeah, because we won that game today with 9 men. Yeah, and I'm happy with the result. I'm happy that we're top, and I'm happy with all of that. Cool. Yeah, but it looked like last season. Yeah, that first 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes, it was looking like last season. Until we got that second goal, I'm sitting there going, this ain't it. This ain't it, guys. So listen, well done. We got through the game. they're not a great team. We made it extremely hard work until we got the second goal. And then after that, substitutes changed the game. And we looked a lot better. Let's just be real with it. Yeah, and that's what I want to see going forward. How we ended that game is the team, or some of the players, without Jesus and Zinchenko, obviously, because they started going forward. Martinelli and Trossard are a must. And on that bombshell, we're out of it. Listen, big up to everyone who's locked in. Make sure you sub to the channel. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well. Like I said, I'm going live for a watch along on the Reacts channel in 53 minutes. So we're out of it, guys. Big up to everyone who joined the watch along earlier. Kenny's next, Jez, Matty, and then player ratings. But yeah, listen, all in all, we're still there and we've put the pressure on. Man City obviously did their job earlier, 1-4-1. We've won 3-0. And now Liverpool got to go to Old Trafford, and we've got to hope that Man United can actually do something. Yeah. Anyway, we're out.